So today I'm going to show you exactly how you can make money by posting faceless videos on YouTube and using affiliate marketing. And the best part about this, you can make money with this method without having any subscribers or having your channel monetized. I'm going to show you step by step the exact method how to do this for free using AI tools. This is something anyone can do no matter where you live. You can jump into this and start making passive income from faceless YouTube videos. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, stick around, you don't want to miss this. But before we get into the video, if you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can get more videos like this and other money-making opportunities. So this is an example of a channel that is already doing what I'm about to show you. They are creating faceless videos on YouTube, then adding affiliate links in the description to earn commissions from the product or service they're promoting. So this means every time someone watches their video, clicks the link in the description, then purchase the product or service they're promoting, they'll make a percentage from what that order made. This is an easy way to make passive income, and there is no restrictions or stipulations you have to meet before you can start making money with this method. Unlike YouTube monetizing rules, you can get started right now earning money. Now, if you continue posting these videos, you'll eventually become monetized with YouTube and make even more money on top of those affiliate links. Now, if you feel like this will take too long or this can't be done, here's another example of a channel that started not too long ago doing this same process. They are using AI to generate these videos, and they are currently monetized on YouTube. Now, in order to make this method work, we need to be creating videos that people are actually searching for on YouTube. Since your channel won't have any subscribers, we need to make sure you're making videos that people are looking for and want to watch. There are two ways to do this, and the first way to do this is to use VidIQ. Using VidIQ to find keywords and phrases people are searching for on YouTube. This will help boost your video's visibility and be shown in YouTube search results. You want to make sure your videos are based around the keywords you discovered using VidIQ, so that your videos can be found by people searching on YouTube. Here's an example of using VidIQ to find keywords for your video. Our keyword is cat. Now, as you can see, the search results are very high, but this keyword is very competitive. So you want to be more specific when searching for keywords to find the best results. Some better keywords that people might be searching for is cat bowls, cat toys, cat grooming kits, something like that to be more specific with your keyword creation. You want to focus on low competition words or phrases, so when people search on YouTube, your video will pop up first in the results. This will help you get the views you need and eventually getting someone to your affiliate link to purchase the product you're promoting. Now, they do offer a free version of this software, but I would suggest getting a paid plan to get more options and the full benefits from this software. I will leave the link in the description so you can get signed up and get started. The second option for finding keywords and content ideas that people are searching for is to use YouTube's search bar. So first you want to go to YouTube search bar and type in best for. Then I'm going to put a space next to the T. Then I'm going to start going through letters of the alphabet. And as you can see, it's giving me all these different phrases that people are searching for on YouTube. So you want to go down all the different letters, and what you're looking for is things that people will buy. For example, I'm in the E's. I can see that best earbuds for 2023 is something people are searching for. I also see the best earbuds for under $1,000. These are items that people are searching for and want to spend money on. So now that we know how to find keywords and content to get our videos at the top of YouTube search results, and we know how to find products people want to purchase, it's time to start making our video. and we're going to be using Invid AI. With this AI tool, you'll be able to tell it exactly what type of video you want it to create, and it'll create it for you. It will also provide a script and a human-like voiceover, along with video clips and captions, all with that one prompt you gave it. Invid does offer a free account. I will leave the link in the description so you can start generating these AI videos for free. Now, once you've created your free account, you'll be taken to this page, and this is where you'll create your video. You want to come up here to the top of the page and you'll select your workflow. You can use a YouTube short, or you can do a YouTube explainer, which is a longer form video. I'm going to choose YouTube Shorts for a quick example on how this works. This is where you'll enter your prompt to create your AI generated video. I already created a prompt, so I'll copy and paste it into the box. You want to make sure you're creating a prompt that is very detailed so that AI can know exactly what type of video you want. Now, once you have pasted that in, you have the option to choose a voice for your video. If you want it to be male or female, I will choose male. Next is going to have the option to pick the type of voice you want to use. I will use Clear American, and I'll leave everything else the same. Select continue, then hit generate. Then it will generate the video for you. Then it'll come back and ask you a few questions to make sure it's creating the best video content for you. You can select which audience you want and the look and feel of the video you want. Hit continue and your video is done. Now let's see what the video actually looks like. As you can see, this AI video came out great. Now, in case the video has any errors or you just don't like how the video turned out, you can always go back and edit it. There are two ways you can do this, and that's manually by going down to the Edit tab and selecting Edit Media. If you want to change one of the videos, you will go here and type what you want it to be changed to. It will then generate more video options for you to choose from. You will then click the video you want it to replace, and it'll replace it. Now, the other way you can edit your videos is to let AI do it for you. You can go down here and create a new prompt. For example, if you want to change the music, you can simply ask AI to change the music, and it'll update and change the music automatically for you. So whatever changes you want to make, you can put it in here and AI will do the work for you. Now, if you're going to do long form videos, it's pretty much the same process. When choosing the workflow, instead of using YouTube Shorts, you want to select YouTube Explainer. And it'll ask you how long you want the video to be. Then it'll ask for the topic. You'll type that in here. Then it'll ask for creative direction. So what is the tone and feel of the video you're looking for? So with this option, you won't really need the prompt because these questions will break down everything to generate your video. Now, when you're done creating your video and ready to download it, you'll simply come here and hit export, and it'll automatically give you these options. Now, it'll have a watermark on the video, so if you don't want this on your videos, you'll have to upgrade to a paid plan. For the best results, and if you're really serious about making money with this method, upgrading your plan will help you generate the results you want and earn that passive income with your YouTube videos. Having that watermark taken off will make your videos look more professional and trustworthy to your viewers. Now, if you choose not to upgrade, you'll have to choose stock watermark and AI branding in order to download your video. Now, once you've chosen what you're going to do, all you have to do is hit download and you're done. Now, let's talk about affiliate marketing. So in order to start making money with this, you need to choose an affiliate program to get into. There are many to choose from, but the best and most popular is Amazon Associate. You can sign up for Amazon Associate for free and start making money posting affiliate links. Now, once you have your free account, you will go to Amazon.com and make sure you're logged into your affiliate account. From here, you'll search for whatever product you're going to promote. I'll type that in, then hit search. Then you're going to pick a product that you want to promote. You want to make sure the product you pick has good reviews because you don't want a lot of returns on that product. Next, you'll click on at the top of the product page. So click text and you'll see the affiliate link. All you have to do is copy that link, then upload your video to YouTube. Once it's uploaded, you can paste your affiliate link into the description and you're done. It's as simple as that. Now, if you follow these steps, you can start making money with AI and YouTube. The links are in the description of all the websites I discussed in this video. Go ahead and sign up and check them out to get started today and making money on YouTube with faceless videos. Now, if you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about money making opportunities like this, then don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.